What? Madman! Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here or if you haven't seen my face before, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Today we have another plugged in. We have 6-7 Dimzy and Monkey and SJ. So let's check it out.
Alright, Fumes, you're plugged in with some real thrillers right now.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
OSG, jump out gang. Feel the fucking movements, come on.
Jump out gang.
A moment to
6-7. You already know how we do it in style. 2 waps deep, man, do it in style. He got shot with 2 and your man's got.
You already know how we do it in style. 2 waps deep, man, do it in style. Okay.
a moment to
6-7. You already know how we do it in style. 2 waps deep, man, do it in style. He got shot with 2 and your man's got shave times 2. Fucking know that's wild. Watch get done, then he made a whole mixtape peeking how. I'm a winner with a 40 bait, jump out gang, you know the 40 bowed. Big men running and diving walls, they leave their friends, I see it's foul.
Oh my god, yeah? Big man running in, yeah? Yeah, and diving in walls, yeah? They left their friends.
Big men running and diving walls, they leave their friends, I see it's foul. We just jumped back in the dinger and bro's trying to ling out the window again. Trying to scramble your homie's egg with these flat heads, scrambled egg.
I'm trying to scramble your homie's eggs, yeah? With these flat heads. Damn.
Just jump back in the dinger and bro's trying to ling out the window again. Trying to scramble your homie's egg with these flat heads, scrambled egg. Your man's was tweaking, now he's a Z. The 60s done it on bike, done it in cars, done it on pets. We got down, done it and fled. They only talk bad on the gang cause
we got down somebody, yeah? We done it and fled. No comment.
bike, done it in cars, done it on pets. We got down, done it and fled. They only talk bad on the gang cause all of them felt some pain and bled. Got done trying to pop in my phone. The guys left the in the mess.
Diamonds twerk like a bitch on a pole. This a fact.
Somebody got done trying to cop himself a phone, yeah? The gang left somebody in a mess.
In and bled. Got done trying to pop in my phone. The guys left the in the mess.
Diamonds twerk like a bitch on a pole. This a family bitch in your role. You stay shots to the back of
Diamonds twerk like a bitch in a pole. Okay.
my phone. The guys left the in the mess.
Diamonds twerk like a bitch on a pole. This a family bitch in your role. You stay shots to the back of the road, the front of the alley, you know how it goes. Put the wash on a man's block touring, lit it up like we starting some cold. You ain't lucky like get shot and you go talking hammers, we copped it in low. Lost waps, I had to get some more. The ops just rap, they ain't even a score. Too much chat, come rise some more. Multiple dead I can name, but blood in, blood out. My nigga screw had wax from run outs. Minimum step, P up all the wap out. Smoked the L when your homie tapped out.
Who can tell me what I've been outside? I wet man up, I've con on ops numerous times. Have you seen con hit man and make man jump? He's with Scotty and he try runs. Look like you try keep it quiet, but free my ski cause he chefed that up. Just the other day man jumped out and he made the cab man swerve and dust. You know getting man down is essential. Man's only got fear of God. Taking the risk ain't new to the man them. Try know that we
Yo. Getting man down is essential and he only has fear for God. Taking risks ain't new to the man them. They're used to this shit.
Look like you try keep it quiet, but free my ski cause he chefed that up. Just the other day man jumped out and he made the cab man swerve and dust. You know getting man down is essential. Man's only got fear of God. Taking the risk ain't new to the man them. Try know that we been them tugs. When you wake up, do you get to the bag? Cause you can't be at war if you got no funds. No, that can't work, my G.
Yeah, you can't be at war, yeah, if you ain't got no funds.
It's essential. Man only got fear of God. Taking the risk ain't new to the man them. Try know that we been them tugs. When you wake up, do you get to the bag? Cause you can't be at war if you got no funds. No, that can't work, my G. I heard the ops were murder we. Cause we all beat corners personally. That rapper ain't mash no words, so they way they rapped it carefully. It was all this and that, next thing don't need help urgently. Hell up, had surgery, a good few went permanently.
Oh my god. Yeah, it was this and that, yeah, they were talking a lot, yeah, until they'll need help urgently. Hella ops have had to have surgery, yeah, because of them, yeah. Some of them, yeah, they permanently dead. They're not coming back, okay.
It was all this and that, next thing don't need help urgently. Hell up, had surgery, a good few went permanently.
Fumes, the engineer.
Ooh.
Glass of water 2 out now. Fill the bag, 3 skib, 3 M, 3 C rolls, 3 ASAP, 3 ST,
You know, a lot of
3
people
X.
ask us, how is CDOT funded? Where do you get your money from?
3 small
Simple
C.
answer,
Scratched off from the car, not keyed it. Each and every the words, man, mean it. If it's live, you know it got beated. The gear had the whistle and he got deleted. Can't ask me if I saw, I ain't seen it. No one ain't rubbed, we on the.
Yo, somebody got deleted. Damn, like an application.
Scratched off from the car, not keyed it. Each and every the words, man, mean it. If it's live, you know it got beated. The gear had the whistle and he got deleted. Can't ask me if I saw, I ain't seen it. No one ain't rubbed, we undefeated. Countless man got caught and pleaded. Headshot ching and his scalp receding. We take risks like bro from Brompton. Got bun and he almost rubbed out. Got chef and cut out. Nosy lads, he done out. 4-4, spun and drop. Thought he's hitting a shot. Thought it was a scrum and guess what, man, them still got the thoughts.
No debate. When we step on your block,
The coin drops are way too many. If they're actually talking about people, that is a lot of people. What?
Nosy lads, he done out. 4-4, spun and drop. Thought he's hitting a shot. Thought it was a scrum and guess what, man, them still got the thoughts.
no debate. When we step on your block, we just trying to put one on the top. Bro got locked, cause he made stop talking
Yo,
about.
no debate. I'm just trying to step on your block and put one on the top.
Thought he's hitting a shot. Thought it was a scrum and guess what, man, them still got the thoughts.
No debate. When we step on your block, we just trying to put one on the top. Bro got locked, cause he made stop talking about other frame, he got cropped. Tore your block like we came to Bangkok. Ain't got no gloves doing cricket.
What? His bro got locked up because he made somebody's heart stop. Yeah. Somebody got cropped out of the picture. Damn.
And guess what, man, them still got the thoughts.
No debate. When we step on your block, we just trying to put one on the top. Bro got locked, cause he made stop talking about other frame, he got cropped. Tore your block like we came to Bangkok. Ain't got no gloves doing cricket with socks. Talking war, then my brothers, we move like the SWAT. Hop out our whips, let it rock.
Yeah,
Yo.
they move like the SWAT, him and his gang.
Came to Bangkok, ain't got no gloves doing cricket with socks. Talking war, then my brothers, we move like the SWAT. Hop out our whips, let it rock. Yo, I got faith in bro and his foot down scurrying. Turn a Nissan to a German, follow truck, not suburban. Check the alleys when we swerving, ain't tryna hit up an innocent person. We ain't into cursing, politics you gon' need a surgeon.
When catfish
They check up the alleys when they are swerving. Yeah, they ain't trying to hit up an innocent person. What?
Check the alleys when we swerving, ain't tryna hit up an innocent person. Pop smoke, we ain't into cursing, politics you gon' need a surgeon.
When catfish gangs on a hunt, it's the first to get done. Thought he was gonna get top, but he got himself, didn't get slop. You know we're coming if you get us a drop. Wherever you are, man's riding along. Carbine strong, no ping pong. Fling it, we're gone. 60s roll anywhere ganging. Yeah, man's got. What you know about sliding the ops, taping it up, slide back and check if it's locked. He got, and he got, and he got. The list is long, I'll be here all day just naming ops.
Two step on your block, all fun that works either way.
He got and he got and he got and he got. Yeah, the list is long. You'll be here all day. Yeah, if you start listing the ops that they've got. What? Madman.
Know about sliding the ops, taping it up, slide back and check if it's locked. He got, and he got, and he got. The list is long, I'll be here all day just naming ops.
Two step on your block, all fun that works either way. Take risk and prosper. No fist fight, man ain't a boxer. Grab the boots, let's
take risks and prosper. Alrighty.
All day just naming ops.
Two step on your block, all fun that works either way. Take risk and prosper. No fist fight, man ain't a boxer. Grab the boots, let's play some soccer. On attack, like Mbappe, blicking my hand as I hop out the passy. Anything gets smoked like Kelly. The gang seem home free, Elfie, Mally.
Walk one for these dickheads. The 6 ain't felt no get back. Then he meant that, all that rap cat man can't respect that. Two wax me and M-Few. Should I paint that block with a head back? Nearly all the man then went bin and they thought was done. That's how mine a setback.
Everyone knows that I love me some runts. He was tweaking away, now he's nothing but runts. Skunk. Took shots to the face, to the chest. No, he ain't thinking, Rami got. We done how we done up. You know we left them drunk.
Fumes, the engineer.
He's done up somebody and somebody. Now they've left them drunk. What?
King Rami got. We done how we done up. You know we left them drunk.
Fumes, the engineer.
Oh my god, oh my goodness. I don't know where Fumes gets all these drillers, but these guys are sick. Sick, yo. Guys, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace, y'all.